Hey guys, today it's just me, Cracker number 1. We also have Cracker the Guest. Now last time we had a different Cracker the Guest, which was Austin, but now we just found him somewhere, I don't know. But
I'm homeless.
this is Matthew, my neighbor. So today we are going to ride four-wheelers, obviously.
Right, here.
You were going on my head.
They're jet skis.
Yeah, we're gonna ride jet skis, you guys. We're gonna ride jet skis and it's gonna be awesome.
Yep.
Jet skis on the dirt. I can't see shit! Ah! Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo! Oh my. Oh my goodness. All the dirt from Matthew's getting in my fucking eyes. Woo! Woo! Where the hell are you going? What a nigga. Yeah guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I don't have any of my other crackers with me, but I'm not with them right now. I'll probably see them tomorrow at church, but yeah. We're just having fun, and I'm not even wearing a helmet, so if I crash, I'm dead. I don't even know where he went. Do you? No, we don't. Donuts. Ah! Blacking the nigga off. Hello. How are you doing?
Good.
Are you doing good?
Yeah.
Bye, bitches.
Hey, Colin, what you doing over there?
I'm running home.
Oh, are you okay? Okay. There goes Colin.